Hello, fellow humans. This is Ronaldo the Cringe Master, and it's raining. So I'm going to do parkour in the rain. So you're gonna watch me do parkour, but it's gonna be raining, of course. Of water, better said. So in the parkour video, I am going to be using sandals. So let's start going outside the bathroom and to the rain of parkour. Parkour. Whoop. Parkour. Let me go over here and do parkour. Well, be careful. Jumping is very dangerous in the rain. Parkour. This is a bad idea, I think. Sorry if there is background noise. Parkour. Jumping around be like difficult. Parkour. Oh. Parkour. Now I'm going to be doing parkour. Let me run. We're here in the rain and do the parkour and yeah. And that was me doing parkour in the rain. Parkour video ended. So goodbye everybody. See you on the next video.